Hey there, productivity enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the world of video creation and how AI can help you level up your productivity, whether you're just starting out or already have some experience. We'll compare 3 approaches: the traditional manual method, 2 AI-powered options, Pictory and InVideo, and hiring a freelancer. Stick around to the end, and don't forget to drop a comment on your preferred method. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the manual method. This is the classic way most creators start. You're in charge of everything: scripting, recording, editing, and adjusting every tiny detail yourself. While this gives you complete creative control, it also means you're investing a lot of time. Even new-age editing software like CapCut can take hours to learn. For beginners, this can feel overwhelming. You'll need to learn everything from cutting clips to mixing audio and visuals. The biggest advantage? You own every aspect of your video style and can make it exactly how you want. But the cost? Time. Lots of it. Manual editing can be draining, especially if you have a tight schedule or if video creation isn't your primary gig. Now, let's move on to the AI-powered world, starting with Pictory. This tool is a game changer for those who want to streamline their video creation process. Pictory allows you to simply upload a script or audio, and it will automatically generate a video using stock footage, transitions, and text overlays. Pictory is perfect for quick, straightforward content, like social media posts, tutorials, and promotional clips. However, if you're aiming for more complex or unique edits, Pictory might not meet all your needs. Let's see Pictory in action. Upload your script, and Pictory will generate a draft video with a storyboard using relevant stock footage. You can customize text, transitions, and clips with a few clicks. Even if your video requires more complex editing, you can use Pictory to handle the simpler sections, saving valuable time in the overall editing process. Next up, we have InVideo, another powerful AI-driven video editor, but with a twist. One of the best things I like about InVideo AI is that you can edit your videos by using prompts like add one-word yellow subtitles or change voiceover to British accent. Let's see it in action. With InVideo AI, you can create a video from an idea or directly from your script. Let's put an idea to test. As you can see, I am giving all customization details in my prompt here, like audience, preferred tone, and call to action. In just minutes, the video is ready.
History whispers of countless heroes, their names etched in the annals of time. Yet, some figures, though instrumental in shaping our world, remain shrouded in relative obscurity. Their stories, waiting to be unearthed, hold the power to inspire and reshape our understanding of the past.
As you can see, all elements are perfectly synced and footages are selected which can be edited easily. Finally, there's the option to hire a freelancer. This method can take a huge load off your shoulders, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or just don't want to spend time learning editing software. The biggest advantage here? You get professional quality without doing any of the editing yourself. But this comes at a cost. Hiring a freelancer can be pricey, especially if you're after good quality production. Plus, finding the right freelancer who understands your vision can take some trial and error. Freelancers can be a great option if you've got a budget and want to focus on other aspects of your business. Just remember to review portfolios and ask for samples before hiring. So, which method suits you best? Do you prefer the hands-on control of manual editing, the efficiency of AI tools like Pictory or InVideo? Or are you ready to outsource to a freelancer and focus on other areas of your business? Each method has its pros and cons, and the best choice really depends on your goals, skill level, and budget. For beginners, starting with AI tools can be a great way to get the ball rolling without feeling overwhelmed. You can find their links in the description. If you're more experienced and want total control, manual editing plus using AI tools might be the way to go. Let me know in the comments which method you prefer, or if you have any other tools or strategies you'd recommend. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.